Hello everyone, in today's video we are going to make this tiny butterfly applique. It's very easy to make. It will require only 5 minutes and I will link you the materials that I used in the description box below. So let's get started. We start with a magic ring. We are going to make inside the magic ring 10 single crochet. We have our 10 single crochet. Now we can close the magic ring. We are going to slip stitch into the first single crochet that we made. Here we are going to chain 3. 1, 2, 3. Into the next stitch, not the one where we slip stitch, the next one, we're going to make 5 unfinished double crochet. So we have 1, we do not finish, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now we are going to close all these loops together. We are going to chain 1. Now we chain 2 and we are going to slip stitch at the base of our first chain, just right here. We chain 3 and into the next stitch available we're going to slip stitch and we have our first wing. Chain 3 again, in yarn over. Into the next stitch we're going to repeat this pattern, 5 unfinished double crochet. Yarn over, we close all the loops together, chain 1, chain 2, we slip stitch at the base of the first chain, chain 3, and slip stitch into the next stitch. Now we are going to make the antennas. So from here, chain 5. We skip the first chain into the second, slip stitch. Slip stitch again. Slip stitch again. We have 3. And slip stitch into the fourth chain. Slip stitch again into the next stitch available. Chain 5 again. Into the second we slip stitch. Third slip stitch. We are going to finish slip stitch here into the next stitch. and we have our 2 antennas. Now chain 3 into the next stitch. We make our 5 unfinished double. We close all the loops together, chain 1, chain 2 more, slip stitch into the base, chain 3, slip stitch into the next stitch available. We repeat again the same pattern, chain 3, next stitch available, our 5 unfinished double crochet. Chain 3, and we're going to slip stitch here where we started. I'm going to cut the yarn. We can close better our ring. I'm going to pass this in the back. I'm going to use a yarn needle. I'm going to get closer to the other thread I have there. So I can make a knot or two. You can hide it more if you like, or you can just cut the yarn. And our butterfly is ready. I hope you liked this video. If it's so, please give me a thumbs up. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye!